You've tried to make money online before, and it didn't work. Maybe you followed a guru, maybe you bought a course, but you're still stuck. Here's the truth. It wasn't you, it was the method. Now with AI, everything has changed, and today I'll show you how to use it to make your very first dollar online, even if nothing has worked before. Most online hustles take time, money, or skills you just don't have. AI tools let you skip all of that. You can now create videos, write scripts, design images, or build products in minutes. No tech skills needed. This is your shortcut, and no, it's not a scam. It's smart, fast, and totally real. Let's start with what's working right now. Make faceless YouTube videos using AI tools like InVideo and ChatGPT. Sell simple digital products like journals or templates on Etsy or Amazon. Offer easy AI services like voiceovers, writing, or image generation on Fiverr or Upwork. Any of these can earn your first $5, $10, or $50. But let's go deeper, into ideas you've probably never heard of. 1. AI book notes or course summaries. Summarize trending books or online courses using ChatGPT. Sell as PDF downloads or a Patreon subscription. People pay for saved time. Give it to them. 2. Personalized meal or fitness plans with AI. Build custom plans using AI and simple tools. Charge per plan or offer a monthly check-in service. Perfect for health-conscious people with no time. 3. Chatbot templates for local businesses. Use ChatGPT or ManyChat to make customer support bots for gyms, salons, or plumbers. Sell the template once, over and over again. 4. Micro-review sites with affiliate links. Build a tiny website that reviews niche products. Use ChatGPT to write the content and earn with affiliate links. Think best AI tools for teachers or top-dog cameras in 2025. 5. Lead gen with AI-powered emails. Write lead gen emails for local businesses using ChatGPT. Use tools like Instantly to send them out. Charge monthly or per lead. 6. AI voice cloning for custom messages. Use ElevenLabs to make funny or motivational messages, birthday wishes, wedding intros, etc. Sell these as digital gifts on TikTok or Fiverr. 7. LinkedIn ghostwriting with AI. Post 2 to 3 times a week for busy professionals. Use ChatGPT and Canva to handle it all. Charge a flat monthly fee. It's easy, scalable, and no camera needed. Let's say you pick one idea, like YouTube automation. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write a video script. Step 2. Use InVideo or Pictory to turn that into a video. Step 3. Upload it with a catchy title and thumbnail. Step 4. Share it on Reddit, Facebook groups, or forums. You just created your first asset. Now watch it work for you. Here's the truth. This isn't passive income overnight. You need to put in a bit of work, even with AI. But unlike old side hustles, you don't need to grind for months before seeing results. One good idea plus the right tool equals momentum. That first $1 proves it works. Now scale, post more, build a bundle, launch a small brand. The internet rewards action, and AI helps you take action faster than ever before. AI won't make you rich overnight, but it will make you start. And that's what matters. So pick one idea from this video. Don't overthink it. Use AI to do 80% of the work, and just take the first step, because your first dollar is waiting.